Okay, so first we are going to begin with our chain 3. So we're going to chain 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do 2 more double crochets. So we've got 1 here, and then 1 more here, and that is our first 3 double crochets. Okay, so now we've reached our first twist. Our first twist is going to be 2. So we're going to have these 2 stitches right here, and we are going to begin by doing a front post long double crochet in the second stitch. So that's our second stitch. So we're going to start, you're going to yarn over, you're going to go under that stitch, then we're going to pull up a loop. Here we are going to pull through 1, then we'll pull through 2, and to finish it off we're going to pull through the last 2, and that's our first front post long double crochet. So now we have to go back to this 1 stitch right here and do our front post. So we're going to go under that stitch, there we go, under, we're going to pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. So that creates our first twist right there. So it goes 2 and then 1, and you see the twist right there. Next we're just going to do 3 double crochet until we get to the next twist. Okay, so we just finished our 3 double crochet, so now we're going to be doing our twist of 4 with these 4 stitches here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to begin in the 3rd stitch. So count to your 3rd stitch of that 4, and what we're going to do is yarn over, go under that stitch again, we're going to pull up a loop, we're going to pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2. That creates our first front post long double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now we're going to be going into our 4th stitch. So right after that 3rd one we just did. We're going to do another front post long double crochet here. All right, so we finished that front post long double crochet. Now we have these 1 and 2 stitches left over here. So what we're going to do is go into that first one. So number 1, we do our front post long double crochet. So we're going to go under that stitch, and we're going to pull up a loop. We will pull through 1, pull through 2, and then pull through 2 again. So now we're just left with this last second stitch here. So we have our 3, 4, and 1 done. So now we go into number 2 right here. We're going to go under that stitch again, do another front post long double crochet here. And that completes our twist of 4. So now we have our twist of 4 here and our twist of 2 here. So it's going to go 3 double crochet, a twist of 2, 3 double crochet, a twist of 4, 3 double crochet, a twist of 2, and so on till we reach the end, and then we have 1 double crochet at the end. All right, we've made it to row 11, and I did the first 3 double crochet, and we've made it to our twist of 2. So here at our twist of 2, we have 1 front post long double crochet in the back and 1 in the front. So what we're going to do is go to that 1 in the back and do a front post long double crochet. Basically what this does is it's going to untwist this. So we do a twist, untwist, twist for every row. It alternates. So we're doing that first front post long double crochet. Then we're going to go into that front one there. So we have that back one and now our front one. Do another front post long double crochet there. And pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And see how it untwisted it? So now we do our 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. and we have reached our twist of 4 now. So here we have 2 front post long double crochets in the back, 1 and then 2 in the back right next to it, 1 and 2, and then we have 2 front post long double crochets in the front. So we're going to go through that first back one there. So we do our front post long double crochet in this back one first. Now we go to the second back one. So the one right next to it, you kind of have to insert your hook under there, right through there, and then you can just pull those front ones forward a little and then pull that back one up. So that's our second back one, and you see we have 2 in the front. So we're going to do another front post long double crochet here. All right, so we're done with those back ones there. Those are probably the hardest part. Now we have these 2 front ones. So we go into the front one that's closest to you. There we go. We have that first front post long double crochet there. And then we go into that last one there, right next to it to the left. And we're gonna do that last one. So yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. And see, now we have an untwisted set of 4. So it's gonna be just a repeat on the next row of row 10. This pattern is just going to keep going on and on until you finally reach the last round, so I hope these videos helped a little bit.